The Constitutional and Law Reform Commission launched a draft report on the review of the laws on the informal economic sector today in Port Moresby. The review is focused on promoting informal markets in rural places. It also includes providing necessary things to empower the unemployed rural population to take part in the country's economy. Jacqueline Yalla reports.
More than 60% of Papua New Guineans make their living through informal sector both in rural and urban areas. However, there is no proper law to protect and cater for vendors to participate in the economy through these activities. As such, the Constitutional Law Reform Commission has stepped in to help by reviewing the laws on informal economy. The review looked into necessary things like road links, where mothers in the rural areas travel to sell their produce, and creating proper markets for the vendors in urban centers.
Rural informal sector varies from urban informal sector. Likewise, what the rural informal sector considers priority in terms of accelerating informal economy may not be the same as urban sector. Urban informal sector has the challenge to regulate street vending, for example, but rural informal sector is concerned about basic services such as roads and major markets to sell producers.
CLRC Commissioner Dr. Mange Tui said there must be a proper law in place to control vendors selling weapon items such as knives. The review will create opportunities for the local Papua New Guineans to actively participate in the economy. Meanwhile, NCD Central Deputy Police Commander Chief Superintendent Khabib G. Lamu said the idea of informal sector will bring more vagrants into the cities in the country. The report will be presented to the Law Reform Commission next month. Jacqueline Yalla, NBC National News, Port Moresby.